Do you want to add music in Messenger Story? You can put a song on Messenger Story with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To add music in a Messenger Story. First, open the Messenger app on your mobile device. Once you are on Messenger, tap on the Chats tab if you're not already there. At the top of the chat list, tap on the plus icon inside your story. Now, capture a new photo or video, or select one from your gallery. After adding the photo or video, you will be on the story editing screen. Now, tap on the music icon at the top of the screen. Search for the song you want to add. Once found, select the music. Now, you can choose the part of the song you want to play. Once you're done editing, tap the Share Now button to post it.